Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can cancel your membership on Netflix. So let's start. So when you're going to be on your application on Netflix, go to the right bottom corner to more, and right here scroll down below and click on account. When you're going to click on account, you will get here on membership and billing, and right here you're going to see cancel membership. Click on it, and now it's easy to cancel or switch plans. Cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period on January 16. And then come back anytime. If you restart within 10 months, your profile's favorites will be waiting for you. And now what you want to do is just click finish cancellation. So that's pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. It's really easy. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes, and goodbye.